Hi Connley Clan fam! Today I wanted to show you a little bit about what we've been doing this weekend and also give you an update on Christian's case. Stay tuned! At the end of August, actually the very end of August, we had a court date for Christian, and because everything is in Iowa, I was on Zoom, and they are still doing all court by Zoom as well. And so we were all on a Zoom court meeting for his case. So they asked the judge if they could change his permanency objective from reunification to adoption, because it was still set at reunification. And mom has had no contact. She has had some with me, but she has had no contact with the state or with the attorneys. And she did tell them up front that she wanted him to be adopted by us. So, with that said, they did change his permanency objective to adoption, and we are set to have a TPR hearing next, which is a termination of parental rights hearing. And I've been told that that may be scheduled at the end of September. I'm not 100% sure. I'm going to say I bet within the next month, we probably will have that hearing. Once he's been terminated on, then he is actually free for adoption. But in the state of Nebraska, you have to have a child in your home for at least 6 months before you can adopt them. So because we picked him up at 2 months old, we can't adopt him until the beginning of December, but I feel like that is coming up quick. Also, if you remember Isabella, we are awaiting for her appeal to be finished, and we're waiting for them to give us a decision on that. I do think that it's going to be in our favor. Of course, I don't know that, but I always like to think positive. And I am really hoping that the two of them, Christian and Isabella, can end up being adopted together. And I know that she is really excited about that, and she is hoping the same thing. We also had a really fun and busy weekend, so let's take a look at what we did. Okay, go.
Welcome to McDonald's. May I take your order? Big Mac, small fry, cherry coconut apple pie, slushy, la fry. Meet me at the window. That'll be $10. Make sure you have a very nice day. Hey!
Good job, guys.
Miss Mary Mac. Okay, ready?
Okay.
Miss Mary Mac. Oh. Okay, Miss Mary Mac, all dressed in black with silver buttons all down her back. She asked her mother for 50 cents to watch the elephants go jumping the fence. They jumped so high, they touched the sky. They never came back till 4th of July.
Good job.
I also do that with Happy Birthday.
Woo! You're good at that.
Daddy's trying to get me with this phone. Okay, ready? Aren't you the guy who tried to haunt me with your words goodbye? But it took some time to despise you. I'm better on the side. Now,
Yay!
you could get family. Okay, I'm going to fix some math. Can I see you? Can I see some math?
Where's your mask? Is it in the house?
Yeah, I also know I also know the Baby Savage. Baby. No, mom, we're gonna do that. I'm a baby savage. Okay. I'm a baby. Cutie patootie with the booty. Sassy, nasty, gassy. Snapping, snapping, what is happening? What is happening? I'm a baby. Okay, I'm gonna show you a dance routine I was trying to do. I'm a little booty.
Are you dancing?
No, yeah.
Show me your dance moves. Woo! Look at you. Meeks. Miko. Okay, show me your cool moves.
I need to take my shoes off for this. I'll do it. Mom, to finish it off. Mom, can I show you something? Can I show you something that I've been practicing? Can I show you something that I've been practicing?
Okay. Woo! Look at you.
Just like dun 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 dun. Mommy, look at me.
Oh man, look
I
at
need to get
you.
my shoes on before the dogs chew it up. Me and Elena are going to see how much cartwheels you can do in a row. Whoever has the highest wins, and the other one gets to punch the other one.
Okay, so let's see how many cartwheels you can do in a row.
I can't do it with my shirt on. Mom, can I show you some horrible cartwheel? Can I do a cartwheel after? How much is she doing so far? It's
I have no idea.
15, 16. 17.
I don't think those are in a row.
Comment below how much she did. Okay, I'm done. I hurt my ankle. Can I show you my turn?
Okay, Elena's next.
I did 15. And then my turn, Mom. Well, we think she did 15. Ready? Two. Maybe I can blow that part out.
Now that's in a row.
Well, that was not in a row. This is in a row. See? I'll do mine in a row. Let me do a cartwheel. Mom, can I do some cartwheels? But I wanted to. Mom, can I do Mom, can I do a cartwheel? Mom, can I do a cartwheel? I can do them in a row. See? I did 19. Mom.
Okay, that's in a row.
Can I do some cartwheels?
Oh!
Mom, can I do some cartwheels? Mom, can I do some cartwheels?
Okay.
And me. Mom, watch me do cartwheels. Half full, half. I don't know how to do cartwheels, but you are going to have. Look, Mommy, she's got. Mom, look at my hair. I dyed it.
Oh my goodness, what? Let me see that.
See my hair.
You guys
Mom, keep it my hair in my hair.
Look at, you guys have different colored hair.
Yeah, you let us dye them yesterday.
What are you doing right now?
Eating your food.
Are you sharing my salad?
Yes.
This kid likes to eat and drink everybody else's stuff. So I sat down with a salad for lunch, and he has decided that he's going to eat it for me instead.
Yes.
You're so silly. Guys, thank you so much for watching our channel. And for those of you who have already subscribed, we really, really appreciate it. If you haven't yet, make sure to hit the subscribe button so that way you can catch all of our videos. We do not just family vlogs, but also I do updates on our story, and also we do foster parenting 101 videos, and I will also have some strategy videos coming soon. So make sure you hit the subscribe button. If you don't want to miss any of the videos, make sure to hit the notification bell. And also, make sure to leave us some comments. I would love to hear your guys' stories. Also, any of you who are doing foster care, I would love to hear your experience. So make sure you comment below. Otherwise, see you next time, guys. Bye.